Yes, welcome to Ndafika. Today we want to look at something here. This machine here is not corresponding well. It after you put start key on, it will just put itself off. So what I think is happening is that the paste is not as dried up. And remember, the paste is in these few areas here around the processor, and also around this part here. So I want us to go step by step and see what's happening, and you see how you can try to change that. So if you look at this one, this is the cooling part, and the processor is down here. So we expect that the coolant here is down, and our interest now is to replace that. So we are going to open that. I'm going to open that. So down here, and see what is maybe happening. So in case you see that problem, one of the options that you need to remember is the paste may be worn out, and you need to replace it. And the areas that require the paste is more so in the processor, because it gives out the cooling effect of when the processor is not when it's hot. Yeah, so that's what you are going to check, and there is very high probability that that is happening. So you need just to smear the paste, and there you find that problem is done. So okay, there you go. Something is not the screw here. Some challenge 22B. Okay, yeah, that is it. So you can see the processor I have dried completely. It's dried completely. This should be a paste here. Must be a paste here, which is called the coolant. So we are going to apply that, and this part here is what you call the processor. So if you squint this one out like this, you can pull out the processor. So you can see it here. So this is what you call the processor. We mentioned this process symbol start. It's very simple like that. So you can see it's tried everything here. So you need to apply the paste there. Another part that you need to look at is here, this part here. So you can check this part is also dry. It's dry. Okay. There is some springs here. So you put them inside, and you can remove also this. See what is how it looks like. Okay, yeah, exactly. You can see it's totally dry. It is totally dry. Same way as this one. So these parts should have a coolant. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to smear it. First I will clean it. After cleaning it, I will now use the paste, and I believe after that the machine will be okay. There may not be short circuiting or off and on kind of mode. Remember, if the problem exists, we'll try another way. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also inform your friend that we are having this grateful channel. Until next time, bye.